Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. You may proceed to the check-in counter.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to London.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Yes, here you go.
Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, just this one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. Your bag is within the weight limit. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is 14, and boarding starts at 7:30. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Please place your bag, belt, and any metal objects in the tray.
Okay.
Please walk through the scanner.
All right.
Thank you. You may collect your belongings.
Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm traveling for business.
How long will you stay?
For 1 week.
Thank you. Have a safe journey.
Thank you. Good evening. May I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Please proceed to the aircraft. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass to guide you to your seat?
Sure. It's seat 18A?
That's near the window. Please go straight ahead and turn left.
Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you go. The flight will take off shortly. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Okay, thank you.